Alright folks, I'm about to go out and start working on the fire. Chris just got back. What did you buy this morning?
Pork chop.
Pork chops. Yeah. And anything else? Just pork chops.
Longanisa.
And longanisa, which is a sausage. And we're going to be cooking...
Beans.
You're going to be cooking beans with chuletas, and which are pork chops. Pork chops and sausage and in the beans. And then I've got hamburgers prepped as well as some French fries there, which I'm going to be making a whole separate video about my campfire fries. Meantime, I gotta go outside, make sure my fire gets going, continue chopping wood, continue. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. I hope you guys are hungry because we're gonna be doing all this stuff today because it's a cook day. And we'll just focus this one on the beans primarily, but then I'll cut some other videos out of it. So, anyway, what are you doing here?
I am, how do you say, cleaning?
Cleaning? Yeah, sorting the beans also because there are sometimes rocks. Yeah. So we sort the rocks out and get everything put into our pot.
Yeah. Which
will then go on the stove here in a bit. And every good cooking video outside needs the big ass griddle. Yeah. Alright, we got both of these on here. Chris is going to put her beans on. Yeah. And then this is going to get hot. I'm going to start cooking here. What do we got in here? What kind of beans?
Bayos.
Bayos. We like Bayos. Oh yeah. Alright, time to cook some burgers. Beans first up. We need a little bit of butter. We're going to put right there. Woo! A little bit of flambe. Oh yeah. Next up, hamburgers. Alright, time to flip the burgers. Come here. Trying to escape. And while we're out here, I'm also going to go ahead and put these on so we can start getting burgers ready to go. Alright, Chris is the one on bread duty because I always burn the bread, so I'm letting her check the bread. Yeah. Hope you're hungry. Stupid chickens. We should be having fried chicken instead of hot dog or hamburgers. Hope you're hungry. I know I am. Alright, time to take the burgers off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looking good. Alright, I'll be in a minute. I gotta move the coals around. Alright, next up for the beans. Chris is getting the, this is what, the longanisa?
Yeah.
Which is salchicha. Type of Mexican sausage.
Yeah.
It's pork or beef?
Pork.
And it is so delicious. Trust me, with eggs fried up, this is like the best thing ever. Alright, next up, Chris has got the chuletas, and I have been requested to put garlic salt, so we're going to put some garlic salt over everything. Oh, we got a nosy little cat named Frodo. What's going on, Mom? A little bit more, or are you good?
No, it's okay. And then it's pepper.
Right. Other than that, she's just doing some oregano, right?
Pepper.
Pepper and
a little oregano.
And a little oregano. And then, are you gonna put any more spices in the beans? But this will be it.
This is okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
That's it for these, and then we're gonna go fry these up with the chorizo on the grill outside. Alright, getting those chuletas, pork chops on the griddle. Stir up that chorizo. And this doesn't have to be cooked perfectly because this is all going in the beans later.
Yeah.
You're just basically pre-cooking it and getting flavor on it and everything else.
Where? Yeah.
Yeah, right there is fine. Time to prepare some burgers with those fries. Mm.
Yeah.
Already got onions in mine and tomatoes. Alright, got the meat patty on mine. Chris is doing hers. What else you got? Tomato.
Some onion.
She puts her onions on last. I put mine on first so that it separates from the bun. It's all good. Can I have some lettuce?
Lettuce? Where?
On top.
Here?
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you very much. It's gonna be good. Also, I'm one of those weird freaks who eats my burger upside down.
And mine, no.
And Chris eats hers right side up. But it's because the sesame seeds hurt my gums sometimes. Anyway, this is what we're eating while we're cooking. Because the, yeah, those are the... So these, by the way, right now we're doing it with hamburgers. You can have these with everything. We have it with chicken. Eggs. What else have we had it with? Pulled pork, tacos. Inside tacos.
Yeah.
You can have them however you want, so. Alright, we're gonna eat campfire fries, everybody. And a cat who just jumped on Christine. Frodo is persistent. Alright, everybody. We got, you let him do that? Oh, who's a spoiled boy? Poor Smeagol's down here going, why can't I have some?
Walk here.
Alright, time to do some flipping. Oh yeah.
The longanisa is ready. Take out the longanisa. It's ready.
Okay. Alright, so Chris is getting las chuletas, pretty much done, these pork chops.
Yeah. This is ready.
These are going in here with the chorizo. Oh, sorry, the longanisa.
Longanisa, and we need to cut in pieces.
Yeah, we're going to cut that into chunks, and then also we got to get some tomatoes and chile and some other stuff cooking here. You going to cook first up? Got to get some olive oil on there. Next up, some garlic.
And then onions and
peppers. Alright, next up is the tomatoes. Oh yeah. Telling you, these beans are going to be amazing. Alright, next up, what do you got?
I need oregano.
A little bit of oregano from our garden here.
Yes. And some, this is the perejil liso.
That's perejil, so that's, what?
Perejil liso. Ajá, otros le llaman curriantro, something así.
No, that's, well, perejil is parsley.
Parsley. But some people say coriander.
No, coriander is otra palabra por cilantro. So this is just, it's a Mexican type of parsley.
Yeah.
Anyway, where are these going?
First I need to wash and then I need to put it here.
Okay. Anytime we're outside, little soldiers. Smeagol, he's a good boy. He goes, I want food, Dad. And then we've got the mom back over there. There's Lucas, Sam. I don't know where all the other girls are probably out in the forest. Adventures in cooking. Oh, Chris is back. So this means it's time to put this on the grill. And for a shot, por un shot, pueden quitar la tapa.
Oye, ¿sabes qué se me olvidó? Tenemos que cortar la carne ahora.
Okay, pero déjame. Alright, next up, Chris is taking these chops and just cutting all the meat off and getting the meat cut into chunks. And we will then take the chunks and throw those into the pot with beans. The meat, oh yeah, and somewhere in here, I'm gonna get some of this. Down here at the bottom. Chorizo bits. Oh, it's in focus. No, there. Come on, go ahead and focus. Whatever, I'm gonna eat that. I love chorizo. Longanista. Snacks. Alright, time to get all these veggies into the... Oh yeah, oh, you're doing that with your bare fingers. You're a crazy woman. Scrape it all off, put it on in.
Yeah,
oh yeah. Alright everybody. Veggies are in. Now we just gotta go get the meat and get the meat added in. Alright, what's next, Chris?
Next, when the beans are cooked, I need to add the longanisa and the pork chop.
Yeah, the meat's already cooked and we don't need to cook it in with the beans. So it just goes in there as flavor. So what, 10 minutes before you're...
Yes,
or...
10 minutes cooking with the beans.
Okay. How long do you leave those on there? Like
here,
1 hour?
For I think...
It's gonna depend.
I need 40 minutes more.
Maybe an hour, 40 minutes to an hour to get the beans soft. So we'll come check every 15 minutes or so. But yeah. All right, we are down to the last coals here.
So the beans are ready.
Beans are ready.
Are soft. And now we're going
here's all of our
the
pork.
longanisa
and we put the bones in there too, just for some extra. Because we'll clean those bones as we eat.
10 minutes more.
Yeah, and then we leave this here for 10-15 minutes, and then we're gonna have lunch. Hope you're hungry. All right, everybody, it is time. Chris is getting in here and getting a big old spoonful.
Wow.
Oh, it smells so good. How much are you gonna eat? You're gonna be an explosion tonight.
Yeah. Ready.
All right, everybody, it's time for taste testing. There's the bowl of beans. Chris has some tortillas. What, you're eating tortilla first? That's cheating. Oh man, I'm so hungry. Still hot?
A little bit, yeah.
And now we have beans for the next month.
Yeah.
Look at that piece of...
Oh, yeah.
Where's Frodo, by the way? I don't want anybody jumping on my back today. I see you. Look, here's Frodo. He's like, can I jump on somebody? I'm hungry. Mary's watching. Like, she's like, I'm hungry. Sam doesn't care. How many? Level 1 to 10?
10.
10 out of 10? Yeah, I'm about to eat some of that. So
with eggs tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow morning with eggs on the side. Oh yeah. Anyway, folks, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you can get more like this as we cook. Oh, there he is. There, can you turn the camera and show what he just did?
What do you do, Frodo?
You can't ever leave him when there's food. Come on, buddy. Anyway, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, everybody, so that you can get more like this as we continue to cook with our crazy cats.
Yeah.
See you next time, everybody. Thank you so much.